Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we are going to look at exactly how to remove the PayJoy app from any Android device. To begin, open the settings on your phone. Navigate down and tap on Apps. Then select See All Apps. Use the search icon at the top and type in PayJoy. When it appears in the list, tap on it, hit Uninstall, and confirm by pressing OK. For many devices, this simple process completely removes the application. Sometimes PayJoy is built directly into the system software by the carrier or provider and cannot be uninstalled normally. If you notice the uninstall option is missing or grayed out, you will need to reach out directly to their team to have it deactivated. Open your web browser and search for PayJoy customer support. Navigate to their official Contact Us page. Scroll down to the bottom of the site, where you will find a list of direct contact numbers organized by country. Simply locate the number for your specific region and contact their support team. They will assist you in safely removing the software from your device. That covers everything you need to know to get this sorted out. If you found this guide helpful, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more straight-to-the-point tutorials. Thanks for watching.